Every year, thousands of people die due to natural disasters like earthquakes, landslides, fire hazards, etc. Many people lose their lives due to unavailability of first aid and inefficient rescue operations. Using efficient technological solutions to these problems can be beneficial in saving a lot of lives. Robots can be used to overcome the setbacks of manual rescue operations. Our bot has a stern aluminum body with brushless DC motor, packed with Jetson Nano MQ4 gas sensor, Arduino Uno, RPi night vision camera, lead acid battery, and motor driver to make sure that it works efficiently even during hard situations. The bot also has a cart attached to it that will help in providing first aid to the people stuck in disaster affected areas. Three analyses were performed on the body of the robot, which are front impact, side impact, and rear impact analysis. For front impact and rear impact, 8 G force was applied with an impact time of 0.15 second. And for side impact analysis, 4 G force was applied with impact time of 0.3 second. Finally, load was applied on the front face, side face, and rear face for respective impact analysis, solving for maximum stress and deformation produced. The analysis was performed in ANSYS Workbench 16. Mesh of 5 element size was generated and keeping a relevance of sufficiently high so that the force distribution is smooth. Now heading towards the simulation of the robot. The ROS bridge command written in the terminals is used for launching the bot and the WebSocket server. An interface between the client and the server is created and the website is launched at port number 8000. The dashboard offers three features, namely control, camera, and mapping. Whether the bot is connected to the base station or not can be easily checked using connection status log message bar. The robot can be efficiently controlled while sitting at the base station using the forward, backward, left, right, and stop buttons. Camera feed can be used for live streaming of the environment as captured by the bot. Now moving on to controlling the bot from the dashboard. ROS run is used to create the video simulation on dashboard, and ROS run RVIS does octomapping using Octree. It not only generates a full 3D map of the arbitrary environment but is also updatable. The robot can be easily moved in all the directions while sitting at the base station using the control buttons, and the live images can be seen by using the camera feed. The bot also gives the details about the gases present in the environment on pressing the stop button, thereby reducing the possibility of fire explosions. The map is extendable when new areas are explored, and the map so generated allows efficient visualization from coarse overviews to detailed close up views. The map is compact and can be stored easily on both memories and on the disk. Moving on, Gazebo offers the ability to accurately and efficiently simulate robots in complex indoor and outdoor environments, thus helping us know how the bot will react in unfavorable situations. Analysis of the area and rescue operation can be performed easily using all these features, and humans can be very efficiently detected using map and the camera feed.